Yes, hello friends and investors. Welcome to Cebu Business Park. So, galatang lakaw taron kay padong ta sa City Sports Club. Kay nami meeting. Actually, I'm running late. So guys, pag mutabok mo dire magtan-aw gyud mo ha. Kay mga sakyanan. So, nadira mo na siyang venue ang City Sports Club.
Mr. Toledo,
Happy Father's Day sa tanan.
Mr. Rofilo Toledo.
Mga feeling fathers.
Dili na mo sir, tanang mga fathers palihog. Manayaw ko rin tao ha. Ang nagtake ko, mga gwapo gini ang nagtake ko.
Happy Father's Day. Anong Father's Day also mga fathering. Honoring of fathers sa Cerebs Real Estate Board.
So,
Thank you, The Rice, Catamoran Terraces, and SNDC.
long life, bless them with good health, and may they will be blessed also materially, physically, and especially their families that they have. May they continue to be fathers, real fathers.
Yes, cheers guys to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day and for staying strong sa inyong mga pamilya. Sa atong mga pamilya dahil. The word of wind beneath my wings. Abi ko gawan sa sud ba naman day kon diri ceiling mounted AC from Daikin. Gatuk lagi siya.
Submit in lieu sa surety bond kay Certificate of Employment na ang nagpirma ang head of office, duly notarized.
Ay sorry.
Sige po. Oaks or Certificate of Good Standing from your accredited professional organization or surety bond worth 20,000, valid for 3 years. Dili pa sabot nga ang tanan program siyang ikandak accredited automatic. No. Dapat ang program mismo na-apply o na-approve as an accredited CPD program, particularly to your profession. Accreditation. So basically, kani si self-directed learning are those asa to. So kung wala yung program of activity, Jura, electronic PIC. Mga tanong mo, ano, electronic. Kani claim ang inyong COR, o niya sa Cebu mo, nagkuha sa inyong pinakaunang PRCID, please send a follow-up to this email address para ma-check kung available ba. I would like to clarify, ang kaning CPD ay hara mag-CPD.
Taking, after that, usa pa sila mo process for accreditation sa with accreditation number 24929. Mo ganay common, wala sila kaila sa ilahan sa
True. And what would be the self-coordinating?
Miss Angelo and Miss Mia and Resolyn Maputos and their English. Mr. Angelo, Mia and Miss
So our sponsor speaker for our CEREP monthly general membership meeting this month of June 2024 is a graduate of De La Salle University, 1978. She gained 2 degrees, Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. With regards to his work experience prior to real estate undertakings, he worked with Procter & Gamble from 1978 to 1979 And then he also works with John Clemens Consultant, 1979 to 1980, and Ubix Philippines, 1980-1981. With regards to his real estate work experience, he worked with Real Estate Group of Companies in 1981 and president of KMDC, member of the Kwok Group, now known as Shang. Correct, Mr. Imam? And he also worked with Jiangkor Philippines Properties. And currently, with regards to his real estate work experience, he is the Vice President for Sales for Fuente Triangle Realty Corporation under Richard King. And then President of St. Mark Residencia Realty Corporation, converted St. Mark from hotel to condotel. He is currently the broker network manager of the Mont Property Group, our resource speaker who will talk and share with us about the rise of Monterrazas. A round of applause to Mr. Jose Maria H. Janzon.
Decided to lean on the concept of the Banawe Rice Terraces and na condominium. And it is a condominium the entire project would be. Imagine.
And activities. Your partnership is very valuable to us, given this 27th day of June 2024, signed by the President.
We're here at the Rice. The Ricer. We're here at the Rice.
Our SMDC group, please.
We're gonna enjoy with chocolates.